Hi, this is Mike, Family DIY TV, and today I'm bringing you a product from a company that I never actually heard of, and it's not DeWalt. It's Simple Plus. So these are batteries that are actually sold on Amazon, and what they're supposed to be is basically direct replacements for, you know, the standard DeWalt batteries. So this battery is like 250 bucks. This one here, the Flex Volt, and this one runs you about 98 bucks, about 100 bucks. You get it right on Amazon. So it's supposed to be a direct replacement. I mean, right off the bat, I noticed that this one is actually a lot lighter than the DeWalt one. I don't know what that means, but they both have a power gauge, which is nice. So you can see I did use this battery, and the performance, as in the power output, was completely fine. I didn't notice any difference between the two. Like the one thing like I said, I did notice is that this is a lot lighter. It is backwards compatible, so it does work on your normal drills, but it also works on the 60 volt bigger tools, like this one here. It works fine. The one thing I like about it actually is that it is cheaper, so this will probably be the battery that I use in this, and I'll just kind of store this away as kind of like my backup, because this is going to be like my really good one, and this will be like my working battery. Also, it's lighter, so it's going to make this unit a lot lighter. So I don't know, it's nice, and maybe if I lend a tool away, I'll give them this battery so they don't break my $250 battery. So I don't know, it's pretty cool. As far as the longevity, I can't speak to that. I've only had it for a few weeks. But the one thing I did notice is that this has 4 bars and this has 3 bars. Now when I cut my lawn and weed whack or string trim or weed eat, whatever you call it, my property, this usually runs out to 1 bar. So right now it's actually fully charged. And that's actually something else. It actually just uses the standard DeWalt charger as well. So if that was a question you had, it uses that. But to get back to the capacity, so this, when I use it, I usually run 1 bar. So I use 1/3 of the battery life that's in here. This one has 4 bars, and I only use 1/4. So that's kind of weird. I actually expected this to run out faster, but it's kind of showing me that it has more capacity than the stock one. But I don't know what to think about that. So that's pretty cool though. But yeah, I mean, this is a pretty cool battery. It's on Amazon. I'll put a link to it down below. Simple Plus. It's a direct replacement for your DeWalt. I will use this. I'll use this up as much as I possibly can over the next few months when I'm cutting my lawn, and I will give you like a 6-month review update on this battery. If there's anything wrong with it, I'll let you know. If it works great, I'll let you know. So please please subscribe, and come back to see the 6-month review of this battery. And maybe go out and get yourself one. I'm Mike, and I'm out.